If you're someone who believes in natural healing or just wants to reduce the use of chemical-based products at home, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful medicinal plants you can grow at home that work like your very own first aid kit. These are low maintenance, affordable, and super effective. Before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on more practical, home-based tips like this. Let's begin. The first plant is aloe vera. This is one of the best natural remedies for burns, cuts, and even skin allergies. Just cut a mature leaf from the base, slice it open, and scoop out the gel. You can apply this directly on minor kitchen burns, sunburns, or insect bites. Keep the gel in the fridge for extra cooling effect. It stores well for a few days. Aloe is also helpful for dry skin and even dandruff if used on the scalp. This plant loves sunlight and needs very little water, making it ideal for balconies or sunny windows. Next is neem. It's known for its strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. If you've got acne, boils, or a minor skin infection, make a paste by crushing fresh neem leaves with a little water. Apply it directly to the skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Neem oil is also effective for treating scalp infections or fungal itching. You can even boil neem leaves in water and use it as an antiseptic wash for small wounds or rashes. Neem grows well outdoors in warm climates and doesn't need much attention. Now, let's talk about turmeric. Yes, the same golden root in your kitchen is a powerful first aid remedy. If you get a cut or a wound, clean it first, then apply a paste of turmeric and water. It helps stop bleeding and reduces the chance of infection. You can also mix turmeric with warm milk, add a pinch of black pepper, and drink it for internal healing, especially during flu, injuries, or sore throat. Another essential plant is tulsi, or holy basil. For cough, cold, or mild fever, you can boil 5-6 leaves in water, add honey, and drink as tea. Chewing a couple of leaves daily is also great for immunity and digestion. Tulsi also reduces stress and has mild antibacterial effects. This plant grows beautifully in pots and only needs moderate sunlight and daily watering. Lastly, consider growing Indian borage, also known as ajwain leaves or patharkata in some regions. It's a great natural remedy for cough and chest congestion. Crush 1 or 2 leaves, warm them slightly, and mix with honey for quick relief, especially helpful for children. You can also inhale steam from boiled borage leaves for nasal congestion. This hardy plant grows well in containers and needs only partial sunlight. So those are 5 first aid plants you can grow right at home. They don't require much effort but can be incredibly useful in day-to-day minor health issues, saving you a trip to the chemist and keeping things natural. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with friends or family. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, everyday tips using plants and natural solutions. Thanks for watching and take care.